Huawei has launched its latest noise-canceling headphones in China for 499 yuan or $75. The Huawei FreeBuds 5i is being marketed as a great accessory for the young. Excellent sound quality, multi-mode noise reduction, and eradication technology are featured in the FreeBuds 5i. Huawei FreeBuds 5i is developed for the young and fashionable at heart. It sports a family-style cobblestone appearance and a rounded shape. 3 color options are available for the FreeBuds 5i, namely Interstellar Black, Island Blue, and Ceramic White. The new wearable is a very comfortable non-sensing device and can be used for extended periods. It comes lighter than its predecessors. The length of the sound mouth of the device is also shortened for greater comfort. The FreeBuds 5i is adaptable to the user's ear canal structure for a less invasive listening experience. In appearance, the charging case of Huawei FreeBuds 5i adopts an oval pebble shape, which is very small and light in the hand. If you look closely, you will find that there are some differences. In fact, this is a unique sprinkle process, which forms a layer of micro-matte texture on the surface of the charging compartment, which is not only a unique aesthetic texture, delicate and skin-friendly when touching, refined and advanced and more recognizable. The charging case is developed with a magnetic suction buckle, and the damping is just right. It can be opened and closed with one hand. I often involuntarily open and close it back and forth to hear its crisp click sound. Not to mention, it is really decompressing. Take out the headphones, the first feeling is light. According to official information, the Huawei FreeBuds 5i weighs only 4.6 grams per ear, which is 0.9 grams less than the previous generation. The weight of less than 5 grams is even lighter than a 1 yuan coin. Moreover, the earphones are developed with an in-ear design, so even if you wear them for running in the park, fear of falling off. Another feeling is, the earphones are very short. The body length of the previous generation 4i has been shortened by 7 mm, and the length of the ear stem is only 29 mm, so the wearing appearance looks better than the long-handled earphone, and the technical party must be more concerned. That is, the smaller the size of the Bluetooth headset, the more difficult it is for the internal audio signal processing, battery life test, and acoustic design. The site also verifies the technical accumulation and strength of the Huawei FreeBuds series over the years. In addition to the slimmed-down body, Huawei FreeBuds 5i also uses soft silicone earplugs that meet FDA and LFGP testing standards and are antibacterial and skin-friendly. In addition, it has Huawei's AEM human eradication technology, which can detect the user's wearing status and ear canal shape, and perform adaptive conditions for noise reduction parameters, matching different users' ears, and bringing a better noise reduction experience. Then let's experience the highlight, sound quality. For a long time, there has been a rumor that you can only listen to a sound in true wireless earphones, but with the increase in consumer demand, it is imminent for true wireless earphones to solve the sound quality problem. To this end, Huawei FreeBuds 5i has made a technological breakthrough and has become the only true wireless headset in the $75 range that has obtained the high-res small gold label certification. This certification is similar to the quality guarantee in the audio field. It is a high-quality audio product appearance standard proposed and defined by Sony and formulated by Japan Audio Association and Consumer Technology Association of America. The official definition of high-res is the ability to restore full-range lossless music from higher-quality music sources than CDs. To sum up, the low frequency of Huawei FreeBuds 5i can surprise me enough. It dives powerfully, fast, and elastic. The mid-frequency vocals are very suitable for listening to songs with clear Chinese and European and American vocals, and they will feel very clean. There are also surprises in the high-frequency performance. The violin will have slight overtones, and the soprano does not sound astringent and has a sense of transparency. This is also due to the large 10mm moving coil unit added to the compact body of Huawei FreeBuds 5i. The technical parties must know that a large moving coil also means a larger amplitude, which can bring more powerful bass performance, and is the best partner for pop music. However, it is obviously not enough to only pursue large units, otherwise there will be defects of insufficient elasticity and speed, which is one of the reasons why many wired earphones use the dual unit structure of moving coil plus moving iron. Huawei FreeBuds 5i is very particular about the choice of diaphragm material. The polymer composite diaphragm it uses is light and thin and has high toughness, so it can enable the speaker to have lower low-frequency dive and higher high-frequency extension capability. At the same time, thanks to its independent rear cavity appearance, it has a good dynamic response range and ultra-low frequency response capability, which can better ensure the consistency of the sound. The optimization of the previous materials and acoustic structure is carried out from the analog side, and Huawei FreeBuds 5i has also made great efforts on the digital DSP processing side. The headset also has multi-EQ sound effect adjustment function. Users can freely adjust the music effect, whether it is adding bass boost to the drum or treble boost for the violin. They can always find the most suitable music effect. It's like adding your favorite filters to your favorite songs, bringing the most comfortable private customized listening experience. Continue to talk about the noise reduction experience. Huawei FreeBuds 5i is a rare headset with TWS Bluetooth headset plus high-level sound quality plus active noise cancellation at the same price on the market. And it supports the Harmony OS pop-up function. As long as the headset is close to Huawei mobile phones, tablets, computers and other devices, it can be automatically paired with the pop-up window, which is very smart and convenient. In terms of noise cancellation, Huawei FreeBuds 5i has 3 modes: deep noise cancellation, balanced noise cancellation, and mild noise cancellation. In the office, library, etc., the noise cancellation mode suitable for the scene in which it is located can be provided. One of my favorite features is the ambient sound pass-through function of Huawei FreeBuds 5i. Just long press the headset to seamlessly switch between noise reduction mode and pass-through mode. You don't need to take off the headset, and you can clearly see what's in the subway, for example. Scenes such as station announcements, colleague conversations and exchanges, the experience is very good. In the end, the experience that FreeBuds 5i gave me is really unusual. As the only high-res small gold standard true wireless earphone in the price range of $75, it has good advantages and performance in terms of sound quality, and there are many kinds of reductions. Noise cancellation. These series of features jointly create this cool and versatile earbuds, which is not only the decentralization of noise cancellation technology, but also brings more versatile and higher quality TWS earphones to young people. It is true that people are hard to serve, but Huawei FreeBuds 5i did it. The original price of the Huawei FreeBuds 5i is 599 yuan or $90. However, Huawei is offering a reduction in the price of the product during the pre-sale period. This has resulted in the discounted price of 499 yuan or $75 for the FreeBuds 5i. Thank you for watching this video. If you have questions about new FreeBuds earbuds, write your comments below. Have a nice day and see you soon.